means Dawat. I for Inkpot. Inkpot means Dawat. J for Jagu. Jagu means Jagu. J for Jagu. Jagu means Jagu. K for Kite. Kite means Patangu. K for Kite. Kite means Patangu. L for Lemon. Lemon means Nimbu. L for Limu. L for Lemon. Lemon means Nimbu. M for Man. Man means Admi. M for Man. Man means Admi. N for Nose. Nose means Naak. N for Nose. Nose means Naak. O for Owl. Owl means Ullu. O for Owl. Owl means Ullu. P for Pillow. Pillow means Takiya. P for Pillow. Pillow means Takiya. Q for Queen. Queen means Rani. Q for Queen. Queen means Rani. R for Rabbit. Rabbit means Khargosh. R for Rabbit. Rabbit means Khargosh. S for Sun. Sun means Suraj. S for Sun. Sun means Suraj. T for Time. Time means Samay. T for Time. Time means Samay. U for Umbrella. Umbrella means Chhata. U for Umbrella. Umbrella means Chhata. V for Van. Van means Gari. V for Van. Van means Gari. W for Water.